Counting. Control unit votes not matched with Form 17C, that is account of votes. Disclaimer. This training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of VCI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guideline, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to know about the steps to be followed at the time of counting if total votes polled in the control unit do not match with the number of votes recorded as per EVM as mentioned in Part 1 of Form 17C. If on the poll day, P+1 is scrutiny day or counting day, if total votes in control unit do not match with the votes in Form 17C Part 1, then during counting, the concerned control units will be set aside. These polling stations will not be counted in the normal round-wise counting. The table for such polling station will be kept vacant in that round of the counting. A list of all such polling stations will be given to the contesting candidates before counting starts. The reasons for this might be CRC protocol not done correctly after the mock poll, VVPAT slips not removed after the mock poll, human error in recording total votes in EVM. Now, returning officer or the assistant returning officer will explain the exact details and reasons to candidates or their agents in the counting hall. Action will depend on whether mock poll VVPAT slips are removed or not. If mock poll is not raised in the control unit, but VVPAT slips are removed, VVPAT slips of the polling station will be counted. Correct candidate-wise vote count will be taken from VVPAT slips. If neither mock poll is raised nor the VVPAT slips are removed, then VVPAT slips of that polling station will be counted. Candidate-wise mock poll votes from the mock poll certificate will be deducted. Correct candidate-wise votes count will then be calculated. If correct candidate-wise vote count cannot be determined, then matter will be referred to the Commission for further directions. Candidate-wise votes from VVPAT slips of each polling station will be counted in a separate round. Votes from all such polling stations will be added to the candidate-wise tally. Final result will be prepared after adding these counts. In this educational video, we have learned if the total votes of the control unit do not match with the votes as mentioned in the Part 1 of 17C, then what to do. If you have any doubt or any clarification, you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.